Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. So it's going to be kind of a mixed bag tonight. Oh, I haven't done a video the last couple days. Feeling kind of ugh. But anyways, I got 2 returns back, well, warranty repairs back in today. One of them was, I thought originally it was going to be a 2.0 upgrade, but it turns out this was already a 2.0. It just, the entire bottom deck, this is the 2.0 deck, and it came completely separated, and I was trying to mess with it, and it just, I don't know what was going on, so I was like, heck with it, I'm just going to replace the whole deck, and it did. And this is just the diagnostic program. I want to just I'm getting one position here that's being a little touchy. So I think the deck needs to be lowered just a little bit. So what's happening is you aren't hidden yet. So what is that? That is you hitting late? That's the question. Almost like I need a little bit of adjustment on there. It's just a little touchy. I wonder if it has to do with it. It's a damn C-clip. What I need to do is make a little tiny... See, what's getting me a little bit is this C-clip here. You can see how there's a big notch of it. So occasionally what happens is it'll get hung up before it should hit. What is the solution to that? An easy one. See, now it looks nice. Let me make this a little bigger so you can see it. So this is the diagnostic FW firmware diagnostic program. So you can see here, I use this to test all the buttons, of course. So it's working okay now. I might hold this one back a day. I want to maybe print like a really thin sleeve or swap out the C-clip on there. I'm not sure yet. And I had one person asking me for, I got an email about Maniac Mansion. Well, that was weird. I don't think I've ever actually tried it. I don't know if I have it or not. I guess I don't have it. Let's see. Pretty sure it was Maniac Mansion. It was a Night Stalker. Let me see. Hold on. Alright, so the game is Night Stalker, apparently. No idea how to play Night Stalker. Let's see. Oh, there you are. Whoa. I died. What are you supposed to do? Is the question. Oh, there I am. Oh, you're right there. Yeah, it works just fine with Night Stalker. I don't think you need 16 ways, but it's fine. So I have a little house. Do these black things kill me? Or they slow me down? Okay. Alright. Oh, that's the laser gun. I see. Oh, this is a hard game. So laser, the gun shows up over there. It's a hard game. Okay, so that gets me a little gun thing. How do you shoot? Oh, you use that. Oh, it's like Tron. I see. so that works well. Yeah, let's play another game or two, and then what's it? Planet Smasher. Space Cadet. Team size 1. Rounds 2. 2 minutes. Oh, whatever. Of course I don't need some. Yeah, you can really see how the very subtle dimensions down here. I still have no idea how to play this game, but it shows off the 16 directions. There's like a skiing one, I think. It shows up in Tron as well. Not that you need it. Yeah, I'll play this a little more. For the life of me, I don't know why they had all 16 directions in this game, but it's definitely there. Now I'm really slow because I got whacked. Up. I can make a nice little circle out of it. Yeah, it works fine. And last one is go back into the diagnostic. Input. I had to skip there. See, it's that one spot right there. So that one lower deck micro switch is this guy here is letting go too soon. And that's the question why. Turn this. It's like the so what's letting go too soon? This is this guy. Oh, that's because what's happening is, I see it now, this darn E-clip on here. I'll knock that E-clip off. I got a smaller one I can do, I can replace it with. I think it's happening is this E-clip, I can actually see it's hanging over, so it's causing some odd stuff to happen. But just that one direction though. You see, it's all I did was turn this. Sorry, I turned this slightly, and it actually starts working well again. So what's happening is that E clip there is this little E clip here, right there, is just a little closer. That little E clip is messing with me. It's hitting the hitting it a little too soon. Okay, so I gotta get my tools out and replace that clip and make sure that works better. Let me see my reference one here. Let's see. What is different about this? See that one? Yeah, I can see the clip on this one actually in very slightly from the edge. And let's plug you in real quick. I'm going to show you what's going on. I'm almost tempted to grind it down, but that's kind of a pain. Yeah, like this one doesn't have that issue. A tiny bit flusher too, but not much though. I might take that one apart one more time and set one spot a little lower and give it a shot. So that's it for the IntelliVision. I'll email and let them know I'm going to spend one more day with it. I got one direction that's being a little touchy. And then, oh, this is an interesting new thing. For the this is the Atari 5200 LT, which is long term. The problem is, for years I made a digital controller made out of a Jaguar, and can't get a hold of those anymore. So this is going to be the new version. So originally I was going to do this, integrating the keypad, the start, select, the start, pause, and reset here. But another viewer suggestion was to come up with a neat little raised keypad. What I came up with is get this off my screen here. Move that over a little bit. So what I came up with is I had these little thin 3-button keypads, and then I printed this nice waterproof label here, and then I 3D printed this, so you get the really classic start, pause, reset for the 5200. So that is pretty legit. I am waiting on I want to put a matte protectant over this because I don't know how long it's a piece of printed vinyl, but I don't know how long the sticker will last. So I want to put one more coat over the top of it, and then yeah, so I even made it so it's a little recessed area. So a real recessed area is going to sit in there like that, and then this is just going to screw down. It's going to be, I'm going to put my regular 4x3 keypad on instead, and then have this guy sitting up here, so it'll give you the real like OG 5200 look. So it's going to look like that is the left side. Let's swap that up with this keypad, and then this guy is going to sit right above it, just like that. So it's going to give you like that original, well, close as original as I can, look to the 5200's aesthetic. So that's my LT controller. So I'm on starting tomorrow. I'm after tomorrow, which is Friday, the week before Thanksgiving week. So I've got all next week off. So I've got a bunch of joysticks ready, just like getting ready for final assembly here, so that's next. But yeah, that's that. It's going to look pretty nifty, and of course it's going to have my regular joystick sitting right here. But yeah, this turned out really nice actually. So I got a 3D print one more time because I want a little bit. I widened this up very slightly, and so it doesn't buckle, and then just sitting there just like that. Probably going to offer this on my other standard controllers too, because it looks pretty darn cool actually. So I like the way that looks. The only problem is I'm not going to be able to retrofit this onto existing controllers, because the existing ones use these discrete buttons like this, and the problem we run into is like it's not going to label wise, I just think it's going to be, maybe it would work, but they're kind of raised up very slightly where the screw holes hit and everything. It's just going to be not something I can really retrofit, so I'm just going to offer that as an option on my my standard line as well. But the LTs are all going to have this design instead. This one, this is just going to be a one-off with this style of keypad. All the rest are going to have that new style of keypad, so that's what will be coming up next. And then, yeah, I'm just building up a bunch of controllers. I'm going to go through and pull that. It's good, but it's not perfect, so I want to go back in and reset one of the heights for the joystick. So the problem is there's a lower deck and upper deck, and when you sandwich it together, if you get a little too much vertical misalignment, you'll end up kind of missing a little bit. So I'm going to tweak that. So I'm going to email them shortly and let them know I'm going to hold on one more day, reset one thing, and then give it another shot. So yeah, that's a IntelliVision, played Maniac Mansion, seemed to be fine. It's not Maniac Mansion, it's what's the email say? That was the Night Stalker. Night Stalker seems to work just fine with that controller, so that's good. And yeah, everyone, thank you for watching and have a great night.